Facebook reminded me yesterday with the picture of last year when the heater was on. Then I was reminded, चलिए वो प्रेस वाले को बोलते हैं कि थोड़े कोले भेजेगा तो ताप लगाते. So this was result of that. We thought let us have a fire in the cup. So some efforts needed because we were sitting outside to enjoy the box cricket in the opposite school. And then when you are sitting outside with the campfire in the cup, then you can have an additional celebration alongside. So this is what is going on. And in the end, there is a closing ceremony. Shakargandi khatam ho gayi thi, so we thought let us use the potato. Right. So this is the fun time. Enjoy with us. But then setting the fire that you can enjoy, it takes time. So you must have some time to let it settle. So this is not the smoke of the coal. This is smoke of the some essence. क्या धूप टाइप का है वो डाला इसमें सो दैट मच्छर मुच्छर इन्वायरमेंट इधर उधर ठीक हो जाएगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल फाइंड द ट्रू रेड. This will just settle in some time. So be with us, enjoy the nature, be with the nature, right? They say, beat the winter your own way, but stay with the nature. Cozy winter vibes, just set up a tiny campfire and I am loving the chill. Yeah, this is the way. They're really loving this. And nothing beats the warmth and the magic of the campfire on a winter night. The benefits: stress melts away, stories come alive, and fresh memories are made and which will be shared the next year as a memory. Last year you celebrated this, last year was that. So a merry-go-round keeps we. This is the time when you really enjoy, and it takes time to come to this level. And then depending upon your time, keep adding the coal and start fueling it by the blow. That blower which is a manual, but now I am looking for an electric blower. I have ordered that, but they say that will be delivered by 1st January. Okay, the new year gift will be the electric blower. But then by that time, I don't know how much winter will be set in, whether we can sit outside or not. But little bit of fire is always needed. And that, yes, this is a icing on the cake, as I had mentioned in the earlier. And this, at this time, fire was high, so it's kept on the top. But then gradually we'll bring it down to roast it appropriately. It's very hot. It's very hot. The peak time. Yes, now it is little bit manageable. So I thought we will bring the potatoes down direct on the coal. So it is almost done and time to settle down. क्रिकेट भी ख़त्म हो गया है, तो आज थोड़ा सा जल्दी ख़त्म कर दिया उन्होंने. आई थिंक जनरली दे स्टे अप टिल 10 o'clock. टुडे इट वाज 9 o'clock दे ऑल वांडेड अप. और हमारे आलू भी तैयार हो गए हैं. टाइम टू ब्रिंग देम डाउन ऑन द प्लेट and then make it a bit spicy by adding a salt, pepper, and if lemon is available, we will try. हाँ ले आओ भाई, जल्दी करो. ठीक है, गर्मा गर्म खाने का ही मज़ा है. थोड़े से और हो जाते हैं ठीक है, बट देन स्टिल है बहुत बढ़िया. cut tells them कि हाँ he is very tender.
चलिए लो भाई
Okay,
थोड़ा
right. Thank
नमक,
you very much.
मसाला,
Enjoy.
नींबू लिया
Have
खाए
fun
तो
in life
लो।
and keep sharing. Sharing is the essence, right? Don't enjoy solo. Be with your friends. Be with the nature, and this makes the merry go around. बाकी सब तो आना जाना है,
चलिए
ये आपके साथ रहना. Right? Good. Okay.